Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this best IT management platform, which is SuperOps. So let's dive into it. SuperOps continues to rise as a modern AI-powered IT management platform designed specifically for MSPs and IT teams. It combines professional service automation and remote monitoring management into a single cloud active solution. With features like intelligent ticketing, project management, IT documentation, and automated monitoring, SuperHub has streamlined workflow and improved service delivery without the clutter of older platform. The user interface is clean, the automation is powerful, and it integrates easily with tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Microsoft 365. However, while it shines in simplicity and modern UI, SuperOps may still be building out some of the steeper enterprise level capabilities seen in more matured platforms like ConnectWise or One. For small to mid-size MSPs looking to scale with smart automation and a lighter learning curve, SuperOps is a compelling choice in this aspect. And here's the better conclusion. SuperOps is one of the best engaging and emerging IT management platform in 2025 for growing teams who value speed, clarity, and integrated automation. That's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.